everyone, my name is Ibrahim from class 5A of Birla High School. Today I am going to share a story with you on the eve of Mother's Day. Once upon a time, there lived a beautiful pink lamb with beautiful kids. One day she told her kids, "My dear kids, I love you more than my life. I am going out. You will not open the door to anyone, as there is a wolf roaming around." When she returned, she said, "Babies, I'm back. Oh, my love. Where are you? Where are my kids?" Then she ran to the forest. There she met a rabbit. "You want to reach your kids? I can help you. But as you know, nothing comes for free. You will have to pay me." "Your beautiful eyes." "What? Oh, anything for my kids." She went deep into the forest with the rabbit. "This is my limit. Now only crocodile can help you to cross this river." Crocodile, please help me to reach my kids. Wolf has kidnapped them." "Sure I can, but you will have to give me your beautiful skin." "Oh my God, anything for my kids. Take it. Here we cross the river and this is my limit. From here, only tortoise can help." "Tortoise, oh tortoise, please help me." "Oh, my child, I know Wolf has kidnapped your kids. I will be delighted to help you. But you know, my legs are very slow. You give me your speed. I know you will. Take it, but please take me to my kids." Come with me. Here is the den where Wolf lies. This is my limit." "Wolf, oh Wolf, here I am. I was waiting for you. I knew you will come. Please leave my kids. They are hungry. Leave them. Take my life." No. I do not want your life. I want your youth, your energy. Take every breath of mine, but just please leave my kids. Your kids will be at home. Take it. Mother sheep told to herself, "Now my kids are free. I want to go back to them. How happy I am. They will hug me. Love me. They will shout, 'Ma, Ma, Ma.'" She went on her journey. It took a little more time as she had lost her strength to the journey to bring her kids back. She reached her home. Her kids were playing. On seeing her, they became terrified. They ran towards their home and closed the door. Mother lamb shouted, "My kids, I'm your mother." But kids refused. "I do not accept you as my mother. This beautiful pink lamb, not you. Go away, you ugly lamb." She unconsciously cried and tried to make them understand, but the door remained closed. This is the journey of all and every motherhood. A mother sacrifices her everything from beauty to youth for nurturing her kids. On this Mother's Day, I take the pledge to love my mom unconditionally and to respect her journey. Happy Mother's Day to you all.